Yeah, this week NZD USD Technical Analysis. So this is 4-hour time frame. If I take Fibonacci from A to A, see, yeah, then any sale setup, small correction here, give the sale setup. N sale setup is better for NZD USD this week. N sale setup, but without stop loss, don't trade any trades because of this week. Fundamentally, the war situation and all is there, right? Suddenly, the Trump given any new statement, in a ceasefire or something, then suddenly the dollar will drop. Okay, right? Thank you.